Termination. Kind of. I started out. Boy.
Lila, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Can you go get him?
Hey. I'll come to you.
Uh-oh, here comes the tent. The tent's gonna get you. What? The tent got you. Watch your head.
We're in the tent now. I know.
Oh, Atticus is trying to get in the tent too.
Atticus isn't allowed in. Hi.
I don't think Lila wants in either. She crawled out and is going around. She's like, no, thank you. Where you going, tent? Was that for the bells or for the tent? The bells. Can you take your bells in your tent? She's like, no, thank you.
Burp. The tent eats babies.
Do the thing where you guys hit blocks again.
You gonna hit blocks together? Will you get the blocks out? Good block. Now I'm gonna get a block. I hit block.
Is that fun?